In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable top results from Outlook search. If you've ever typed something in Outlook's search bar and noticed a small section of messages pinned to the top labeled top results, that's a relevance feature designed to highlight what Outlook thinks you want first. Helpful for some, but if you prefer a strict chronological list, you can turn it off in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through it step by step, and I'll point out a couple of small interface differences you might see along the way. Start by opening the new Outlook app or Outlook on the web in your browser. This process is the same in both places. Look toward the upper right corner of the window for the settings gear icon. Go ahead and click that. A quick settings panel will slide open. In that panel, find and select the link that says View All Outlook Settings. This opens the full settings window with a clear list of categories on the left. We're going to make one change, and it lives under the General section. Click General, then choose Search. If you don't see Search right away, scroll a bit. Some screens may group these options and you might have to expand the section. Inside the Search settings, look for the option that controls top results. Depending on your version, it may appear as a checkbox labeled Don't Show Top Results, or as a toggle labeled Show Top Most Relevant Results. The action is the same. If you see Don't Show Top Results, check that box. If you see Show Top Most Relevant Results, turn it off by unchecking it. This tells Outlook to stop promoting a handful of messages above the main results and to list everything in the usual order, typically by date. Once you've made that change, the setting usually saves automatically. If a Save button appears at the bottom, click it to confirm. From now on, when you search, you'll get a clean, consistent list without the top results section. If you ever miss the feature, you can come back to the same place and reverse the setting just as easily. That's it, simple and effective. Thanks for watching.